You can set the onboard computer to provide a wide range of information. The settings are made using the touch screen. To access the computer settings, turn the key to position 2. Press the On-Road Info button or the icon on the home menu to access the main settings screen. Select Speed to reset the average speed, or set the speed for the speed warning chime. The speed warning function may also be turned off. Press Stopwatch to start, stop, or reset the timer. Select Lap to time a lap or other event while the main stopwatch is in use. The Trip Settings function allows you to specify onboard computer information that can be accessed in the Message Center. After making your selection, press OK. To view the trip settings in the Message Center, press the Information button repeatedly to scroll through. Consult your owner's manual for full details.